Hey everyone and welcome back to Curve Nova where confidence meets curves. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of Tana, a stunning model, influencer, and creative powerhouse who turned her confidence, passion, and individuality into a global digital success. Born and raised in the United States, Tana always had an eye for fashion and a love for self-expression. From her early years, she dreamed of stepping into the spotlight and inspiring others to embrace who they truly are. What began as sharing photos online soon became a movement. Her fearless confidence, natural beauty, and empowering energy drew people in from around the world. By 2025, Tana had built a loyal fan base of millions across Instagram, TikTok, and OnlyFans, all captivated by her charisma and authenticity. She's not just a model, she's an entrepreneur who's collaborated with leading fashion and lingerie brands while launching her own creative ventures that reflect strength, confidence, and self-love. With an estimated net worth of over $1 million, Tana's success story is proof that belief in yourself can change everything. Today, she continues to inspire with her bold fashion sense, empowering voice, and message that beauty has no limits. Through her work, she reminds us that real confidence isn't about perfection, it's about embracing your power, your curves, and your truth. Thanks for watching Curve Nova where confidence meets curves.